My country people, wonder shall never end. Not be small thing, no things they happen, no, honestly. And this one so na sad news. Things they happen. And two, I don't know waiting men they look for outside. And waiting you get for house, fine past the one when they outside. I don't can understand. I don't understand. Before we go touch like this matter, I first greet on a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on where you are watching me from. If you're my returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if now your first time when you take it across this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Anytime I upload, you'll be notified. Okay, my country people, not be small thing, not be small matter. This one so now sad news. When I see this lady, so when they carry, they come out for inside car. She don't be RIP. And waiting cause and be saying she caught her husband with outside chick, with all those outside chick. Now so as you see them for supermarket, now so this lady come they chase her husband with the outside chick. As they chase her now, the process it can jam tree. From there it can delete. My country people, honestly, this one I was shocked to lies. This one has sad news, honestly. He can delete and she get 3 children. And the outside chick now, the picture don't go viral for social media. If I see the outside chick and I see this one when delete, so this lady fine die. I don't know what some men really they find for outside though. I know say what this lady still do say e not too good at all. No matter what, you don't catch her with outside chick. If e reach us, una go talk the thing together. If na divorce, una go because all this thing not be by force. I not go understand. As this one now, as this lady kpai now, the outside chick go come occupy the space. If you not marry the outside chick, maybe go carry another person, go marry another person. May her soul rest in perfect peace. Honestly, I don't know what some men really want. I don't know at all. I don't know. And where this lady for make mistake, if I not chase them, they go. Now that place, if I make mistake, and this thing for not occur now. I don't know, honestly. Men, if you be men, this one so go teach you lesson. And if you be woman, this one so go still teach you lesson. Men I know how una go take handle on a issue. Wait on they get for us. I don't know why men they cheat. And also women still they cheat. But this one so as you say and say your husband they cheat, you catch her with the outside chick. You for calm down. If he reaches, you go ask Sam. You go ask him. Maybe he don't think when the man they do am, he don't they ask him and not there. But the way when he take chase and they go now and he can't delete now, who go take care of the children? The thing now the fault of the man and the fault of the woman. If you not chase and they go. This one are really sad news, honestly. As I crossed this news, I was shocked to light. Even the outside chick self, now so the eyes, I don't know as I want to describe them. I don't know what men want. I don't know. I blame the lady. I blame the man. I don't know why man they cheat on their woman. I don't understand. For altar, you don't stress. Say now better for worst. I don't know. For better for worst. Later now, I will go outside. Go there find waiting not find owner. Even at the year say this woman a lawyer. When I understand, I not gonna understand. I not gonna understand. My people now here now want for leave una make una watch.
Oh my God, today I can't see that. Jesus, save us. Oh God. Oh, God. God, help us. Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Jesus.